The theme of hope has always been the seed for the Hmong American Peace Academy since the beginning.
HAPA provided and provides hope to me. HAPA really gave me that hope where I am good enough and I am smart enough to pursue, higher education.
Being a Hmong minority, we tend to think that, we are not as seen, not as heard. But I think coming to HAPA has really brought hope in myself because I was able to feel heard. I was able to feel seen and to be invested in.
The story of hope, the theme of hope has been instilled in me as a student at HAPA because our parents, they came to the United States a long time ago with the hopes and dreams that their children can do anything that they wanted to do. And I held on to that hope many times, thinking that I wasn't going to be able to make it. And here I am, almost about to become a medical student, and so I still hold on to that hope, and I hope that the current students and the future students at HAPA have that too.
Hmong American Peace Academy is a transformational institution from our investment with our mission and our educational programs for transformation of our scholars to their families, to the community, and ultimately the city.
The word hope for me, it's a new beginning and a new choice. HAPA gave me a new beginning where I can identify myself, or I can be true to myself and not feel lost. And that really helped me to see my future and also to secure my future. So that's what hope means for me. And that's why, I love HAPA.
Hope to me means progress, means perseverance towards something that you can actually achieve. I identify as someone that is economically disadvantaged, but HAPA has no problem with that. And I was so hopeful in my aspiration in life to become a doctor, and I think that's my definition of hope, being able to find opportunities and striving along the pathway towards success.
If you read and learn about the Hmong history, they have such a unique history. I think we should really invest in our students, our scholars, their culture, because it's so unique. And if we invest in them, we're going to have future leaders in the community with such unique backgrounds.
I know that with HAPA, it has helped shape me to who I am. It's gotten me hope and making me want to go forever forward.